Hi everybody, in this video I want to show you in 5 steps how to change a diaper. What I like to do, I like to keep a lot of toys nearby just to keep her distracted. If you have a baby it's easy, but once they get older they start to roll. First step, you have to remove the dirty diaper. Then you have to wash the baby. You can use water or you can use baby wipes. After washing you dry the baby. You can use towels. And still, what I like to do, I like to let her sit on the changing table for a minute or two just to let her skin breathe. Then you can apply moisturizer or a diaper cream. And then finally, you put the diaper on. I don't like to lift the baby up all the way because it's not good for the spine, so I like to roll her side to side. And on the other side. She's a little bigger, so it's easier. But with the baby, you should be more careful. On one side, just make sure that this thing is completely flat, and when you put the flap on, it doesn't go directly on a skin. Like there is this part underneath. Simply because this thing, if the baby moves, like this part may scratch the baby. The diaper shouldn't be too tight because the baby moves the legs up and down, and just gonna scratch the baby right here. But also you don't want to keep it too loose because the diaper can come off. And also what I like to do, I like to fold it right here. And just for a check, just put the finger inside. If it's loose or you just have to do a couple of diaper changes and just gonna figure it out. This is it guys. Thank you for watching.